How to remove screenshots on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. On this page, scroll down and go to the Media Type section. Then, swipe left to find the Screenshots album and tap on it. All your screenshots are automatically saved to this album and you can view them from here. If you want to delete screenshots from here, then go to the top right corner and tap on Select. Select the screenshots you want to delete and then tap on the delete icon below. Tap on Delete Photos to confirm. You have now successfully deleted these photos. Following these steps, you can easily remove screenshots on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.